Masquera saying Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki utanka kwe paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingo wa gara waka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe, takugira inyaya, ya buditswa ne de masungomira iyo ya buda. Shtora iyo, actually the Zanu-PF chairperson for Midlands Province, wa Edson Chierenge vakabuda vachitaura during a party meeting vachitaura ivo vachiti vanhu vese vasiri mamembers eZanu-PF havasi kuzowana food aid muri Zimbabwe. Zvinoumira mushe vachitaura ndofunga panguva yakaoma Zimbabwe yakarohwa nenzara. Ndofunga parikunzi pane drought yakaitika yotarisirwa kunzi chikafu chinogona kuita chishoma, chibage chakarimwa chinogona kuita chishoma muri Zimbabwe. VaEdson Chierenge vaitaura kuRugare shopping center in Toad kukwekwe muSaturday apo pavailauncha Zanu-PF campaign for their party candidate mu Ward 3 for by-elections abakuitwa. Vakataura vachiti the government in a lot of food aid is available, but it is only Zanu-PF supporters who are going to get it muri Zimbabwe. This meeting yaka-attendwa na mwana wa president Emerson Mnangagwa, David Kudakwashi Mnangagwa, anova the deputy minister of finance and investment promotion muri Zimbabwe. By elections aya vaikampeinera ari kuitwa mushure mekunge Toad mayor Clayton Masiacha akafa muri Zimbabwe, anga ari a member of the opposition citizens coalitions for change. So pariswa by elections ekufila his place muri Zimbabwe. So Tongai Mnangagwa, so Edson Chierenge vakabuda ivo vachitaura zvikanzi when you come to Zanu-PF meetings, please don't bring your stress. However, when it comes to this year's drought, we have enough food for everyone, excluding those who are not members of the party. Those are Buddha Shtawa. Now, Chierenge, muri Zimbabwe, zvakonzeresa. Stay pa social media unatoa no Zanu-PF yatanga kutyisidzira vanhu shinzi they are now buying my votes nenyaya drought vachipromisa vanhu kuti ukasavhotera Zanu-PF uchafa nenzara. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi yabuditswa navaEdson Chierenge ava. Ndofunga the Zanu-PF candidate vaChristian Sigauke vachafesa two macandidates kukwekwe ikoko sanganisira Tinei Ziva we are kunzi ari aligned to Nelson Chamisa pamwe chete naRangarai Sibanda, an independent candidate zvakare. During this meeting Kudakwashi Mnangagwa akapledge support for a youth tournament akabuditsa $1,000 United States zvakare $600 United States for vakadzi muri Zimbabwe. Then akaprovide zvakare patrophies nemabhora ekuti vanhu vawanikwe vachi-award vanenge vawina muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei strategy irikushandiswa neZanu-PF pakucampaigna for my elections. Asi the president ndofunga last week vakavhizita kuBulawayo uko kwa vakataura vachiti nyange zvazvo kune nzara nyika yeZimbabwe iri ready to provide food for my villagers anokwanisa kuita 35,000 zvichinzi there is backup for chikafu ichocho zvichinzi so vanhu ndavasavhunduke nyaya yedrought muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya itudzo zvamurifunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Under the Second Republic, we shall not and we shall never allow a misrepresentation of our rich liberation heritage by our warrior forefathers. We all of us here, big and small, sophisticated and simple, all of us here, big and small, sophisticated and or simple, we have a duty for telling the correct story of our country and our heroes that have gone We all know that our independence, our freedom, our democracy, peace and unity was attained through pain. Our gathering here today at Pupu is a demonstration of our desire to tell the truth about our identity and historic bravery. We must speak unity. We must speak peace. We must speak love and the unity of our country. Now, I want to thank Matebele, the North Province, for voting for the Revolutionary Party Zanu-PF during the 2023 elections. Matlabezulu siyalibonga ngokuvotela Zanu-PF English.
You people who strike the heavens by your beauty, I thank you for voting Zanu-PF.
Very good. We, the present generation, we must honor, remember, and respect King Lobengula's army, which defied the white army and soldiers led by Alan Wilson. The battle by the Ndebele warriors was a message to the colonial British people that they have a historic history which tells us about our brave forefathers. Your government is committed to continue to have food security. This year around we had a drought, climate change. It affects our region in SADC, but we, the government of Zimbabwe, will ensure that no one will die of hunger. I appeal to all our communities to conserve grazing land, pastures. Please, please, don't destroy our grass by fire. Here in Matebele North Province, this year we are going to finish the Gwai Shangani Dam.
Lapa eMatebele North sizakuqedisa idamu leGwai Shangani.
We shall also build more clinics and schools here in Mat North.
Sizakwakha njalo amanye amakliniki